Welcome to my YouTube channel, LearnVerse, your passage to infinite learning. Hello everyone, my name is Ashmit Roy and my channel name is LearnVerse. So friends, in today's video, we are going to see how to find HCF of two numbers, for two numbers and three numbers both. So please, before starting the video, please like and subscribe like the video and subscribe the channel for more useful videos like this. So now let's start finding HCF with long division method, both two numbers and three numbers. Like we have two numbers like any this and find HCF of this and this, and find HCF of this or this, and this and this, three numbers. So we can find for them also, two and three. Take number if we if for HCF with long division method for two numbers. Take two numbers. Here there is a error. It should not be it should be two numbers. For example, 48 and 52. Divide the smaller number with the bigger number. The remainder will come. Now the previous divisor will be the dividend and the remainder will be the divisor. Keep doing that until the number is divisible without leaving the remainder. And whenever it leaves no remainder, the divisor is the HCF. So now let's try. Let's take 48 and 52. So 48 into 1, 48 into 1, 48. Remainder comes. Remainder will be 4. And now this remainder which came will now become the divisor. Will now become the divisor. And the last divisor, which was 48, the last divisor which you can see here, it was 48. Now it will become the dividend. Okay, so now we'll do 48 and 4. 12, 48, 0. So friends, now remainder is 0. Whenever the remainder comes 0, the last divisor, which was 4, which divided the number completely, like here it divided 48 completely, that divisor will be the HCF. And here when finally it comes 0, the last divisor will be the HCF. But uh, if if in other numbers you don't get, still you don't get 0, you will keep doing until you get 0. Like in bigger numbers or other numbers, if you don't get 0 early, you have to keep doing. Like if here it would not be 0 or it would be some remainder, then you would make that remainder the divisor, and then the previous divisor will be the dividend. But here we will not do it because we have already got 0. So here we will not do it. Whenever we get 0, the last divisor, which was 4, will become the HCF, will be the HCF. And if we did not get 0, we'll keep doing until we get 0. And whenever we get 0, the last divisor from which the number was divided completely will be the HCF. So here HCF, H C F, HCF for 48 and 52 is equal to 4. So for friends, for 2 digits we do like that. So now let's do it with another example. Like if you take 64 and 76. So friends, first we'll do 64 into 1, 64. Which would be, the remainder will be 12. 6 minus 4 will be 2. 7 minus 6 will be 1. Remainder will be 12. Now this remainder will become the divisor, and the last divisor, which was here 64, will become the dividend. So friends, 64 is divisible by 12. How? It's 12 into 5. Let's check. Is it 12 into 5? 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 1, 5. 60. No. It is 64 is not divisible by 12. 60 is divisible by 12. That's what I was just checking. So 60 is divisible by 12. So we'll write 60 into 5, 12 into 5, 60. 4 will again be the remainder. And now again the 4 remainder will become the divisor, and the last dividend, which is 12, will become the dividend. So 4 into 3 will be 12. 0. So finally, as you can see, the remainder comes 0. So 4 was the last divisor which divided the number completely, and the remainder came 0. So it was 4. So HCF of HCF of 64 and 76 is equal to 4. So friends, this is how we do for 2 numbers. Now let's do it for 3 numbers. How to find HCF for 3 numbers? In 3 numbers, what we do, we take 3 numbers, like if we take 48, for example, we take 48, 52, and 64. Okay. For example, you can take any number. If we take 48, 52, and 64. So here what we will do, we'll take any two numbers from this, like 52 or 64 or 52 or 48. I'm taking these. Uh, I'm taking these 48 and 52. As you can see, 48 and 52 I'm taking. So first we'll find the HCF for 48 and 52. 48 and 52. So 48 into 1, 48. The remainder will be 4. Now remainder will become the divisor, and the last dividend will become the last divisor will become the dividend. So 48 into 12. 4 into 12 will be 48. Which will be 0. So the HCF for 48 and 52 will be 4. Now we will take this 4 and do it with 64 also. We take the 4 and do it with 64 also. We take the HCF of these and do it with the third number, which is 64 over here. We'll take that 64. Oops. 4 will HCF for 48 and 52 will take the HCF and the third number, which is 62, and do it with it. So for 4 into 14, let's try. 4 into 4 will be 16. 1 will carry 4 into 1 4 plus 1 56. So 56 it comes. Then 4 into 15 will be 60. So and 4 into 16 will be 64. So 62 is not divisible, 60 is divisible. 4 into or wait, sorry. We can directly just do it with 6. 4 into 1 4, 2 is the remainder. Bring down to 22. Is 22 divisible by 4? No. 4 into 5 will be 20. 4 into 5. Oh, 4 into 5 will be 20. 2 will be the remainder. Now we'll take the last divisor, which was 4, as our dividend. 4. And 2 into 2 is 4. Now finally the remainder is 0. So here, in this case, 2 was the number HCF. So in three numbers, first we take any first two numbers, then find their HCF, and whatever will be their HCF, we will take it and do it with 64. Like here I did. The HCF of 40 first two numbers 48 and 62 was 4. We took the 4 and did it with 62, and keep doing like we did in two numbers, and finally the answer came 2. So HCF HCF of 48, 52 and actually my handwriting is very bad in laptop, so please don't mind. And 62 HCF for these will be is equal to 2. 2 is the HCF for 48, 52 and 64. So friends, now you know how to find HCF with long division method for 2 numbers also and for 3 numbers also. So thank you friends for watching the video, and please like and subscribe the channel before leaving.